A winch is a device for tensioning a tie-down that's fitted directly to the vehicle with a means to lock the tension. This section will identify various winch types, finishes, maintenance, and visual safety inspection checks. Weld-on winches are welded to the vehicle in a fixed position. Most of our web winches have a 5,500 to 6,000 pound working load limit. Remember, a tie-down assembly is only as strong as its weakest component. The portable winch is versatile and meant for temporary installation along the trailer side frame. It contains a bracket with set screws to bolt onto the frame rail. A word of caution here, the set screws are used to position the winch on the vehicle. Sliding winches can feature a standard or custom design. The standard design slides into the winch track, allowing for easy positioning in the track to accommodate the load, and locks into position when tension is applied. Ratcheting winches are faster and more convenient than traditional winches. These winches reduce the tensioning time by 33%, as well as the risk of winch bar rollover. Once the winch bar tip is inserted into the winch cap, the winch can be fully tensioned without the need to repetitively remove and reposition the winch bar. Ratcheting winches also come with a 3-year warranty. Anchor's 7mm winches reduce weight per winch by 2 pounds on average. The lighter weight reduces fuel expenses and allows for a greater payload. Custom-designed sliding winches will be necessary for trailers, where the flatbed manufacturers have designed their trailers to accommodate custom sliding winches on the frame rail, eliminating the need for adding winch track. Be sure to match the correct custom winch to each trailer design. Some customers will want to carry a spare winch to offer more versatility in securing their loads. In that case, our patented portable winch is the solution. It drops and locks into any standard stake pocket. In response to market demand, some Anchor winches have powder-coated finishes. This black powder coating makes Anchor winches more rust-resistant than any other winch on the market. Anchor ensures that each winch can withstand at least 250 hours of standard salt spray testing. This allows for years of trouble-free service. To give your winches a longer working life, specify extreme zinc for better corrosion protection over other finishes. All winches should be inspected before each use to ensure they are in good working order. A safety checklist should include the following. Verify the winch pawl operates freely into the sprocket. Winch functions freely and/or slides on the trailer track freely. Visual inspection for cracks with special emphasis on the welded areas. Any suspected bad winches should immediately be taken out of service. Winches should be periodically cleaned and lubricated to ensure optimum performance and free movement.